Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on where you are watching me from, depending on your location. Please, if you are just joining for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much and God bless you. It's just like, let me say, like a month plus now that Cotps developed their withdrawal issue, and we have been hoping to see COTP come back. Now, while we were waiting, Bntrust showed up, and we thought Bntrust is going to help us recover some money. Then I invested on it, and as you can see, I made some withdrawals, and so later people start to rumor that Cotps, they are the same people who built Bntrust. So many people accepted, many people started arguing, saying it's a lie that Cotps don't have anything to do with Bntrust, that Cotp is decentralized system. So then when I tried to make withdrawals yesterday on Bntrust, I made withdrawals. Since that yesterday up to now, it is now 24 hours and the withdrawal is still pending. I don't know. I don't know what is going on with all these platforms. And many people invested, many people trying to know if they will recover the money they lost on the previous investment. Now they are ending up losing more money, which is not supposed to be so. I don't know why people are very heartless and wicked. The people that God created, gave them life, gave them everything to live with. They are now into defrauding people. They don't even give any reason why the withdrawals was pending. Nothing to show for it. But let's just keep praying that if they will still enable the withdrawals, maybe by mistake, so that everybody will take out all their funds. I'm even tired. I don't know what to say anymore concerning this Bntrust. We are still waiting for Cotps. Bntrust then crashed. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on, guys? What is going on? Should we stop investment entirely? Is there no platform that is legit? Is there no platform that is legit? This one has not even lasted up to 6 months or 4 months. They just came and gone immediately. What is all this? And if you check YouTube, if you check online, you will see so many people talking about this platform. This platform came newly and it has circulated to millions of people has invested on this particular Bntrust. Millions of people have invested on this particular platform. Now they decided to disable withdrawals. What do we do? Should we hope that they will enable it back, or should we lose our hopes? I don't know what to say anymore. I don't know what to say anymore right now. I don't know what to say anymore. But please, in this situation right now, just know that everything will still be alright. Just have it in mind that everything must surely be alright. By the grace of God, we are fine. We are very much fine. We are fine. So thank you very much for being with us. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing. God will bless you all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.